welcome to the new series that I am creating called the Beginner Handpan class. So all it is just going through lots of different handpan techniques, everything that I've learned throughout the years, everything that I've learned from all the way from years all the way to the recent months. So hopefully this will help you in your handpan journey and help you improve your play and enjoy this beautiful instrument a lot more than ever. So it's really fun. So first off, obviously my name is Phil. As you can see, Phil Cook. I am a handpan player, a Native American flute player, and I literally just love playing musical instruments. It's all fun and it's really good. So, but with the handpan, this is, I feel like, my sole instrument, and I feel like this could help out so many people, and it's also for free on YouTube, so you can't go wrong. But yeah, it's just made about having fun and enjoying this beautiful instrument as we can create so many versions and so many notes that we can have fun with. So obviously today's class, like I said, they're going to be nice and short, roughly about 5 minutes. So if you do these about 5 minutes a day, or even a couple of minutes a day, you're going to enjoy it. You're going to find it really fun. Today's class, I just want to start off by the simple basics. We have to get the basics right for us to advance forwards. So all I want you to do, if you've got your handpan, or even if you haven't got a handpan, you can always borrow it. You can even tap on a table. I know it sounds soft. So again, the way we're going to hit is tapping, gentle tapping. You ain't going to go hitting it hard, because if you hit that, you overstretch the notes, which would then make it out of tune. So you've got to be very careful. Luckily with Meridian, I got a 5-year warranty with this, 2 tunings, and that's the reason why I go to Meridian, because I love the handpans. So again, so the way we're going to hit it is just like a gentle tap. That's all I want you to do, is a nice gentle tap. So all I want you to do is just practice on the top of your handpan or on the table. We're not trying to hit hard, we're just trying to hit nice and gently. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So if you're practicing the handpan and you want to take this to the net, you know, you're practicing at work and you've got the handpan with you, and you're at the keyboard, or you're on the forklift, whatever. Because I also help people who work on forklifts. And I just say to them, when they ask for a bit of help, I just go, just practice, just on the steering wheel when you're sitting there waiting. Go 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then work back up. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4, 2 2. Got tongue tied then. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and that's all you got to do. Just practice every day if you can. If you're a beginner, practice, and then eventually you can literally, you might not even realise, you get quicker and quicker. Practice makes perfect. I know it's simple. I know it's boring after a while. Trust me, it works. Just go 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And literally you'd be surprised how you get the muscles working, you get your body working, you get your mind working. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So you've got different techniques. You can use all your fingers. You can use all your pretty little fingers. So all we're going to focus on is how to hit it. So we can hit it with your knuckle. So you can hit it with your thumb. So preferably, if you want to hit the notes, hit it with your thumb. See, I like knuckles just to give that. So you can do different ways. But for today, we're just going to practice hitting the notes. So if you have got a handpan, you can do this with me, or do this in your own time. Just literally nice and gently. Now, what you want to do, you want to hit here on the side of your thumb. And all I want you to do, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Then we're going to go up the notes. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. But I want you to just literally keep it at a steady pace for you. For me, sometimes I go a bit too quick for my own good, and again, nobody's perfect, so we're just practicing hitting the notes. Now you can hit the notes on the top, but I prefer hitting them on the side. You get the clearer sound than you do a sort of not so clear, if that makes sense. So we're just going to go 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then back down again. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Sounds soft, and it's simple as it comes, but you'd be surprised how much it really does help. So obviously we've got the ding. We're going to do the same again with our thumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a good exercise to warm yourself up, get the fingers moving, get the ligaments, get them a little bit moving to get them stretched, ready to start playing. So once we've done that, now we're going to get to your fingers. So again, just do the same with your fingers. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just as simple as that, and you'd be surprised if you practice that every day, just as you build up, you might not realise it within a week, you might be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're like, oh my god, I'm getting quick, I'm getting faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You might realise then, hang on, when you're playing some quite faster on chords. So there's many different ways. So we're going to practice all the fingers. So again, middle finger now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So brilliant. So again, practice all the fingers. Now I'm disabled and I have a problem with my left side of my body. So I miss notes with my left side, so I have to just bear that in mind, that the brain doesn't receive the signals properly from the hands and sending the signals down. So if you do see me miss a note, that is the reason why I am disabled. So again, we've done the index, we're going to do ring finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I missed it then. It's because I'm talking about it. I'm conscious of it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple basics like that. You'd be surprised over time. It really does make a difference. Trust me on that one. So there you go, your little finger. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I hope you've enjoyed your first class. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, it's for free. Please give me a like, follow, and subscribe if you enjoy it.